this is Chris Roshnut, 24K on Twitter, and we're showing you the Sky B by Rachel and Victoria Apple Watch case for the Series 4 Apple Watch. This is in gunmetal. They have tons of options with this. So it's really cool looking, and it's a full case for your Apple Watch Series 4. And as you can see, this is the gunmetal version. They have a little case that comes with it right here. They have them for the Apple Watch Series 5 as well. This comes in several different colors, but if you need a little bit of extra bling for your Apple Watch, I would definitely go with one of these. I think they're premium priced. Found these at CES this year and just had to show you how cool this looks. I'd even use one of these. They have different models, different sizes, and definitely give them a check out on their website, Sky B. This is Chris Roshnut, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.